Okay, so after driving for an hour and a half, I found it. It is very slippery here, a bunch of mud. I'm waiting for the owner to get here. They have the keys. Without the keys, I'm not gonna be able to do anything. So stay tuned. Hey guys, Rhino here. So last night I got a call to recover a Toyota Tacoma. Typically I ask for location and pictures to see what kind of situations I'm gonna be up against, and they never sent anything back. So I figure, they didn't want me to come out, to get them to recover them. Today in the morning they called me and they say, yeah, go ahead, we need your help. I was about to be on the way when they called me back and canceled me. They said that a friend of theirs would come and help. 3-4 hours later, I get a call back again. Same guys. They couldn't get it out, so now we're heading over there to recover them. They are somewhere by Thousand Oaks. I don't remember the name of the city right now, but as you can see, it's raining cats and dogs right now. However, we're gonna get there. We're gonna help them out, and of course, once I get there, I keep recording. And thank you guys for coming along. Hey guys, how you doing? So Rhino here. I'm over here on Agora, California, close to Thousand Oaks. I'm looking for a Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma. Damn, this is slippery right here. So I'm trying to figure out how to get to the Tacoma, safely. This, seems to be really slippery. Hold on. Okay, so after driving for an hour and a half, I found it. It is very slippery here, a bunch of mud. They had a winch, or they have a winch. They tried to strap to the tree to pull out, but obviously they were unsuccessful at it. But we're here. I gotta come through the back. He said somewhere over here. I should be able to pull them right out, but we'll see. I'm waiting for the owner to get here. They have the keys. Without the keys, I'm not gonna be able to do anything. So stay tuned. Dan, right?
Justin.
Justin. Sorry about
back
that.
there. Right, all good.
All right. So how do you end up in here anyway?
So we're just going around here. I've been on the trail many times, just not in the rain.
Not in the rain.
It rains
Yeah.
really bad.
Yeah, for sure.
When I was going down there and doing a U-turn, I lost momentum.
Yeah.
So I got brand new mud tires yesterday, 32s. So with good tread. But,
Yeah, I have good tread too, but once the trail gets slippery, even if you have good tread, they get packed with mud,
Yep,
and then
you're
you start sliding down. Yeah, is it this way?
Yep, straight.
All right. Sorry guys, I forgot to activate the wipers. Hold on 1 second. Just for good measure, I'm gonna turn on my locker.
Yep. Oh, you have a locker. You'll be fine, man.
Yeah. All right, go around this way.
Yep.
All right. Wish us luck, people. Look at that.
Already sliding?
It's already sliding.
Yeah, you got to get past this.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. We're screwed. Hopefully not, but let's see. Oh.
Should be good here. After that, that was the hardest part for me. We are going sideways though.
Yeah. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. Yeah, brother. This is not joke, bro.
It's no joke.
Yeah, we should definitely do this during the daytime. I'm telling you.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we're kind of like we're there. So like once you get to.
All right. Let's see how far we, how much farther we can go.
It's really close from here.
No, I understand that. I saw that. I just wanna be safe
Mhm.
for you and for us, you know.
Yep.
So let's go.
It's to the right here, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, on our way out, we're gonna probably go that way, which is a little
Yep.
bit hard.
It's fine. My Tacoma will be fine. I'm just stuck in a bad spot right now. As long as I got momentum, I should be good. It's handling it well.
Yeah, they're just trying to climb up the hill that I was slipping down on. That's gonna be crazy. All right. So I'm gonna stand here.
Yep.
And from here, I'm gonna.
Here's the safe spot, right?
Yeah.
So,
Sorry, people. All right. Let's go. All right, here we go again. Let's go. Slow, slow. You're going too fast. Slowly. No. Keep your wheel straight. There you go. Okay, slow. Wait there. Wait. Okay, we're still not out of the woods because as you could see in the beginning, we were like completely sliding sideways when I was coming down the hill. Like I had no control on the truck. So now we gotta figure a way out. You know, a safe way out for him and for myself. I still need to turn around somehow, which, you know, this doesn't seem to be too good. But I gotta do something, you know. Hopefully I won't get stuck. He's out right now, but like I said, we're still not out of the woods. He's picking up the track boards, and we'll be turning around in a little bit. I'll keep recording in a little bit. Let's see. That's my camera right there. I'm trying to follow the tracks. I got my other camera up here, so hopefully, you know, I'll be able to follow the tracks and get out of here safely. We'll see. So far so good. Right here, there's a little thing that almost made me slide sideways. So let me fix myself and let me try again. Wrong way. One more time. Let me get straight. There you go. And this thing is going sideways like crazy. Let's see if I can go around here. All right. Yeah, no, going up this hill is gonna be a no-no for sure. Hold on. Okay, brother, you can start coming. We're gonna have to go out the same way the other guy did, because I'm trying to climb up the hill and it's just not going. Yeah, good. You're good to go up to maybe 100 feet from me, because I need to turn around. So just keep going. Yeah. Alright, so now I have to figure out how am I going to turn around here. Hold on. Low. I got locker and everything. Jeez. Don't worry. Yeah. Not a good choice. But let's see. Okay, this is not going to be easy or fun. I mean, it will be fun, but not at the same time, if you know what I mean. I'm trying to turn around. Look at it, it's just sliding, like literally. I'm trying to go backwards and it's just sliding sideways. But now we're facing the right way. We're facing the way that we're trying to go anyway. So let's go. I wish you could see the road, you know, better. But this is no, this is not too good. But this is the only way that out right now, because the other way we're just gonna slide. And look, we're sliding already. There's something in front of me. Let me remove it. Hold on. Oh shoot, I'm not even recording. What the hell? Okay, I think I just messed up. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But just turning around, it was crazy. I was sliding all over the place. And right now, we're trying to take this other way out, which is, as you can see, we're practically sideways right now. So let's see how everything goes. You see that? We keep falling sideways. But we're making it out. Yeah, we're gonna make it out. Man, I hope I record the rest of it because it was really fun. Scary but fun. Look, we're getting stuck, we're going sideways, but we're pulling out. Perfect. Ah, freaking Rhino, you're a beast. I'm not talking about myself, I'm talking about the truck. Rhino's a beast. Alright, let's get the other guy. And he's coming out. Look at him. You're free! Oh my goodness. It wasn't, I mean, it was a little bit scary because I was sliding all over the place. I thought I wouldn't be able to get out. Look at my tires. But you know, we made it out. So as you guys can see, he's giving me a hug because he's happy that his truck is out. As you can see, he's out. Now he's going home. We're going home. Thank you guys for watching, and of course, we'll see you next time.